how much should you actually spend on a mini coffee grinder? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind. First up, we have the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Electric Coffee Grinder. Priced at just $21.95, this one caught my attention with its sleek black design and bestseller badge. If you want a compact grinder that can handle up to 12 cups of coffee, this is worth a serious look. It features stainless steel blades that make quick work of grinding not just coffee beans, but also herbs and spices. Plus, it's designed with an easy clean removable bowl and is dishwasher safe, so you won't dread cleanup after your morning brew. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, while it's quieter than many competitors, it's not silent. If you're super sensitive to noise, you might find it a little disruptive. But for most of us, the ease and quality of grinding outweigh that minor annoyance. This is perfect for you if you enjoy making coffee for friends or family. Skip this one if you need a quieter option or prefer a larger capacity grinder. For its price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the noise issue concerned you, the next one on the list might actually be even better for quiet mornings. Product number 2, CEVING Mini Manual Coffee Grinder. Next, we have the CEVING Mini Manual Coffee Grinder coming in at $17.99. I was drawn to its portability and the fact that it has 40 adjustable settings. If you want precise control over your grind size, this one is definitely worth checking out. Whether you're making espresso or a French press, you can achieve the perfect grind without any mess. It weighs only 325 grams, so you can easily take it camping or to the office. However, some users mention that it requires a bit more elbow grease compared to electric grinders. Here's the thing though, if you enjoy the process of making coffee, this manual grinder adds an element of craftsmanship to your routine. But if you're looking for quick and easy, you might want to consider an electric option instead. This is perfect for you if you love to travel and enjoy fresh coffee anywhere. Skip this one if you prefer the convenience of electric grinders. For the price, it's a fantastic choice for those who appreciate manual brewing. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on the list might suit your needs even better if you want more automation. Product number 3, Cuisinart Automatic Burr Grinder. Third on the list is the Cuisinart Coffee Grinder, priced at $53.99. This one really impressed me with its 18-position grind selector and automatic features. If you want optimum flavor without the hassle, this is a fantastic choice. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Cuisinart grinder can grind beans for up to 18 cups of coffee at once, which is perfect for coffee gatherings. With its removable features, cleanup is easy, and the one-touch operation means you won't have to babysit your grinder. The even grind is crucial for maximizing flavor extraction, and this grinder delivers just that. Now, some users have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your coffee, the size is a small trade-off for the quality it brings. But if you're short on counter space, that could be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you frequently entertain guests or simply love coffee at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something compact. For the quality and features, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something more compact, the next grinder on my list might just be the answer. Product number 4, SHARDOR Electric Coffee Grinder. The fourth product is the SHARDOR Electric Coffee Grinder, priced at $24.29. This one caught my eye with its large capacity and quiet operation. If you want a grinder that can handle more beans while being discreet, this is worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a 70G capacity, this grinder can yield up to 12 cups of coffee, making it perfect for those who like to brew in larger batches. The visual timing knob is a game changer, letting you control your grind precisely without guessing. Plus, at only 63 dB, it's much quieter than most traditional grinders, allowing you to enjoy your coffee ritual without waking up the entire household. However, some users noted that it might not be powerful enough for grinding tougher spices. Here's the thing though, for everyday coffee grinding and most spices, it does its job exceptionally well. If you're looking for heavy-duty grinding, then this might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you like to make coffee for a crowd and prefer quiet operations. Skip this one if you need something that can handle tougher grinding tasks. For its price point, you're getting excellent features. Now, if you prefer something even simpler and more compact, the next product could be your best option. Product number 5, Wonkel Electric Coffee Grinder. Last but not least, we have the Wonkel Electric Coffee Grinder coming in at just $15.99. This caught my attention with its one-touch operation and compact design. If you're looking for something easy to use without breaking the bank, this is a fantastic option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Wonkel grinder has a pure copper motor that ensures your beans are ground without burning, maintaining that rich aroma and fresh flavor. It's incredibly simple to use, just press the button and you're good to go. Plus, it's versatile enough to grind spices and nuts, making it a handy kitchen tool. Now, some users mention that it struggles with larger batches, as the capacity is only 60 G. Here's the thing though, if you're usually making coffee for one or two, this is perfect. If you regularly brew for larger groups, you may find it lacking. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable grinder for personal use. Skip this one if you need to grind for multiple people at once. For its price, it's a steal. That was a great lineup of coffee grinders, each serving a unique purpose and catering to different needs. To sum it up, we've covered the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind for budget-savvy users, the CEVING manual grinder for portable needs, the Cuisinart for serious coffee lovers, the SHARDOR for those who want quiet operation, and the Wonkel for simplicity and price. Each of these grinders brings something unique to the table, so pick the one that fits your coffee journey best.